whole place, $99.90. Whew. Up here in Park City. You'll see up here it's unusually warm for this time of year. It's currently about 40 degrees and extremely sunny, which if you're out of town, you know, you may be saying to yourself that still sounds cold, but it's very hot this time of year, especially in all your ski gear. You'll be sweating pretty quick. I'll show you the mountain. Pretty low coverage other than man-made snow on pretty much all the runs. They have a lot of terrain open. Just if you're trying to go in glades or trees and stuff like that, it's thin covered and still very sketchy everywhere. But glad to be out here. Happy New Year's to everybody. Let's get it. Made it up to the top of 99.90. First time this year. Beautiful as always. It's very thin cover. Everything's really crappy and icy and slick, and there's rocks poking out everywhere. But we're gonna try to rip 94 turns. It's probably one of the easier runs if you come up here for the first time. Then we're gonna rip the other face on the other side, which should have some better snow. It's good to be back. So the original plan was to get up here and rip 9990 all day for the first time, but yeah, these conditions suck. It's all really slick, very hard packed ground. It's just been the lack of snow, melting, freezing, getting pushed down over and over with nothing fresh on top, making it super hard. It's very thin cover everywhere, like moguls on 99 turns. Every other turn, it's got a rock, a stick, a branch, something sticking out. It's a super thin cover, just it's not worth destroying your skis this early in the season. And so I'll try to rip the east face, maybe see if the snow's a little bit better, and then maybe I'll do a couple more. Otherwise I might call it on this lift and go try something else for you, so we'll see. Gonna hit magic line. Decided to just go full send. It's my favorite ridge on the whole place, 9990. Hike around the backside of it. Snow looks decent, still slick, but we should be good. Let's rip, baby. So my last run was more on the left, kind of over towards these trees. I got sucked into that crap. So I'm gonna try to go to the right over here. Stay out of that little gully with all the rocks. See how that goes.